in the middle of the night.
What do you got to say, Sydney? Tell Grandpa how you got out of your swaddle last night.
And then you've been rolling
Pretty
over.
clever.
Ooh!
You got.
Yeah, I got one. Ooh, there we go.
What a good spitter-upper.
You're a good spitter.
Yeah. All done now? Hmm?
Okay. Whoa! Hi! Hi! Are you okay? Are you okay?
What's going on outside? Huh?
This is my third offense. You can't keep them from throwing me back in jail.
Hi! Hi! I can't see your face!
Just tell us
You have
what
such a funny face!
Trust me. It's not gonna be
Hi! Hi!
Why are you giving up?
I think I've had a pretty good reason.
Sydney?
Jared trying to kill me, Jade. Just
Sydney?
10 years in prison. You never
What's
know.
your story?
Be more lenient this
Are
time.
you going to tell us the story?
Nobody will. It's mandatory. I have to go back to jail to finish up the rest
She's just
of my
attacking the blanket.
Why the hell don't you follow? Oh, you've got a family now. 2 little babies who are counting on you. When you start thinking about what's best for them.
Oh, we can stand up. Ooh, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Do you wanna dance? We can dance together. Gotta put your shirt down. Would you like to dance some more? Play dancey dancey? Dancey dancey dancey. Dancey dancey dancey. Dancey dancey dancey. Dancey dancey dancey. Well, it's a pleasure dancing with you. You're such a good dancer. Dancy, dancy, dancy. Dancy, dancy, dancy. Dancy, dancy, dancy. Dancy, dancy, dance. Dancy, dancy, dancy.
Dance back and forth? Side to side?
Dance from side to side. Can you do that?
That's, doesn't like that so much.
That's rock and roll.
Do ya? What's he doing?
Boom. Oh, boom.